what is that? Ooh, are they bugs? Oh no, they're worms. How did they get there? They must want to teach us our new special sound. New special sound. Oh, look at that. It's whir in worms. Let's look at the letters. We already know O-R says or in morning. So now we're going to add a W. Whir, whir in worms. Let's say that together. W-O-R says whir in worms. Again, W-O-R says whir in worms. W-O-R says whir in worms. Let's go back. Oh, I think they want to tell us something. My goodness, there's words on here. We know that now. W-O-R says whir, whir, work, work. This worm is going to work, just like you. Let's look at the next one. W-O-R says worth, worth. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. And this little worm, I'm going to move him up with our other word. He's going to work so he can get some money that's worth something. Oh, here is a green one. And he says, world, world. Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel, the Bible says. World. Here's another one, couple more. W-O-R says whir in word, word. That's the word we just read, word. W-O-R says worse, worse. I hope you don't feel worse. He looks like he doesn't feel good. He's getting worse. Last one today. W-O-R says worst, worst. Well, he feels worse, but he feels worst. Here's a skinny one. Thank you, worms, for telling us our new sound. Let's say it one more time together. W-O-R says whir in worms.